today I will be doing matching tattoos with my best friend. And I'm actually going to be doing the tattoos because we're doing a stick and poke tattoo, which our friend Paula has designed. And she's super talented, so this is going to be good. And yeah, we're so excited. Warning, do not, you know, follow all these things at home because I don't want to be responsible for you getting an infection and having to amputate your arm. But, you know, other than that, take inspiration and, you know, do whatever feels good to you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Where are you gonna have your tattoo?
Well, I'm not sure yet, but probably somewhere on my leg down with my ankle or something.
What's the idea behind the tattoo design?
Well, I guess it's just like there's this small spaceship because, you know, we met while studying astrophysics, so it's only fitting. And then there's a circle with flowers, which is kind of like a planet the spaceship is traveling to, which could also be like the circle of life or yeah, anything you want.
For the second someone mentioned you were all alone, I could feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know it's got a hold. Just a phone call left unanswered and me sparking up. These cigarettes won't stop me wondering where you are. Don't let go, keep a hold. Look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guided like a lighthouse, a place where you'll be safe to feel like racing if you've lost your way, if you've lost your way. I will leave a light on, I will leave a light on, oh, I will leave a light on. Oh, I will leave a light on. Tell me what's been happening, what's been on your mind. Oh, lately you've been searching for a darker place to hide. That's alright. If you carry on abusing, you'll be robbed from us. Oh, I refuse to lose another friend to drugs. Don't let go, just come home. If you look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guided like a lighthouse, a place where you'll be safe to feel like racing if you've lost your way, if you've lost your way. I will leave a light on, I will leave a light on. If you look into the distance, there's a house upon the hill, guided like a lighthouse, a place where you'll be safe to feel like racing if you've lost your way, if you've lost your way. And I know you're down and out, love, but I need you to be brave. Hiding from the truth ain't gonna make this all okay. I feel your pain, and if you've lost your way, if you've lost your way, I will leave a light on. I will leave a light on.
Yeah, I don't know. This is kind of therapeutic. It's not so bad, but obviously it does hurt. Kind of, but I don't know, it's nice. And I'm really excited about the outcome. I just know that even though I'm kind of like almost done with 2 out of 3 flowers now, I need to go over them like probably 10 more times at least. So in the end, I'm gonna slightly hate myself, but afterwards, when I'm done, I'm gonna be like celebrating and just like, yes, I got an awesome tattoo and I made it myself with the help of friends. It's awesome. So yeah, spirit's good. The vibes are up in the roof.
Place to find the lovers at the bars where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast so that we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, you'll give it a chance now. Take my hand, stop, and when I'm out in the jukebox, and then we start to dance, and I'm singing like, well, you know, I wanted your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming out from my lane, I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Coming out from my lane, coming out from my lane. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Wow, 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 wow. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. One weekend we let the story begin. We're going out on the first date, but you and me with birthday, so go all you can eat. Fill up a bag and I fill up a plate. We sat for hours and hours up on the street in the summer, and now your family is doing okay. We even get in a taxi, we kiss in the backseat of the driver, make the radio play. And I'm singing like, boy, you know I wanted your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming out from my lane, I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Coming out from my lane, coming out from my lane.